Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable the USB booting on the Lenovo T520 ThinkPad. I'm going to power on, then I'll tap F12 so that I got the boot option menu, and this is what it's showing. It's not giving me the options of the USB, and it is connected. Then I'm going to switch off the PC. Going to long press, goes off. Then I'll press start again, then F1, I'll tap till hear a beep. Then I'll wait for the BIOS. Then here on this step, you're going to click the arrow button. Then USB. Then I'll enable this first option here. It is disabled. And press escape. Then another option on the startup here, we have the Lego boot. So this has to be in both. If it is in Lego only, then it won't accept for you to install other Windows apart from Windows 7. Then I'll leave it on both. It has to be enabled. Then I'll press F10, then click enter. Then I'll double tap F12 so that I go in the boot menu. Wait for it to load. Then here it shows the option USB hard drive, and it's showing a SanDisk, and it's connected there. So when I click enter, because I'm in the process of installing Windows 8.1, click, then showing me giving me an error. Let me go back to the main, turn off, power on. It's enabled. Back. So here I'll choose this only, and I can press F10, enter, then F12, double tap, and I'll scroll down, then it will start the Windows installation. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So after I can click next, install Windows. Thanks for watching. I was trying to show you how to enable the USB on the ThinkPad T520. It's a Core i7. It comes with Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Please subscribe.